ViewTech Borescopes, the leading provider of articulating video borescopes in North America, proudly introduces the VJ4 Video Borescope with advanced 3D measurement technology, designed to enhance inspection accuracy and efficiency. The 3D Measurement VJ4 Video Borescope allows users to capture precise measurements in real time, enabling more informed maintenance decisions across a range of applications. The 3D Measurement VJ4 is available in 6mm, 3.9mm, front view, and side view configurations, and delivers exceptional versatility for difficult-to-access inspection environments. The 3D Measurement VJ4 provides accurate length, point-to-line, depth, multi-segment, area, depth profile, angle, and surface angle measurements. Combined with high-resolution imaging, intuitive controls, and industry-leading articulation, the VJ4 delivers the performance inspectors demand when accuracy matters most. The best way to experience the 3D Measurement VJ4 Video Borescope is through ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation in-hand demo program. Speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts and discover the ideal inspection solution for your specific application. You'll quickly see why ViewTech Borescopes continues to be the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.